how to prevent mold on your DIY ballistics gel. So this is something they don't tell you about DIY ballistics gel, but it is organic, so it will start molding and decaying over time. So we're going to cut out the worst spots of this. Okay, so we're going to grab all these projectiles out. That was a self-defense 9mm. That's a 22. And then we're going to put it in the mold and melt it down. Okay, so now that we've got it completely melted, you're going to want to take one of these full things of salt. It's about 1 pound, 10 ounces, and you're going to want to add it to the thing. Luckily, salt's pretty cheap. And then you're going to stir it up. So the salt is going to make a very salty solution, and that's going to keep it from molding. Okay guys, so it does take quite a while for the salt to dissolve, but as you can see, it is pretty much just as clear as it was originally with that whole almost 2 pounds of salt in here. And now it won't mold. Unfortunately, because it did mold the first time, there are some floaties in there, and I'm not going to be able to get rid of those completely. So if you do it right the first time, you won't end up how I did. Okay, so that is how you preserve your DIY ballistics gel. I'm not going to go in on the nitty-gritty on how to make the DIY ballistics gel. I did a video on that I'll put here or on one of the cards at the end. If you have any other questions or comments or concerns on DIY ballistics gel or the regular ballistics gel, I also did a video on the comparison between the two. Anyway, as always, thank you for watching.